Another day, another chance, another day. Today I'll be discussing to you all about the quiz that we'll be doing now. So yeah, it's a quiz that I'm going to be doing, and yeah, I'm just gonna knock it up the park. Hopefully, yeah, hopefully, man. So let's get to this and let's go. Which one of the following is a method of the matcher class used to check if a string matches the pattern? So it's matches. Which would be the output of this code? A times B. Uh, that match input and then match that matches. This one's gonna be true. What does the find method of the match class do? If the entire string matches the parent. Come on. Man, what? Java regular expression. Oh, take care. Have a nice day.